What are you doing?
I am making my traditional Christmas pie. So this is the Christmas dinner leftovers. So we've got turkey, gammon, beef, lamb, duck, stuffing, peas, the job lot. Right, a little bit of thick gravy. There's cabbage in there, there's bits of potatoes, all the job lot. Alright, inside there. And then I put a little bit of cranberry on, a little bit of apple on, and get it out. And then pastry top in the oven. And this gives it, so I've got a bit of mint sauce in here as well, just to let you know. Alright, and I like this every single year. Sorts out your leftovers. The cranberry and the apple gives it a bit of sweetness as you crack into the pastry. I only put a pastry top on. I don't muck about with all that on bottom, but this like gives it a little bit of a glaze. Oh, look at that! Bang these in the oven now, and these will be ready for lunchtime. And have it with a bit of mash, very nice thick gravy. Bang! Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. Christmas leftovers from the fat man. Get in, get it down here. Woohoo! Give me pastry to go on the top of my pie. Give it a quick squeeze. A little bit of love. Hey, love.
Hey, look, I wish you treated me like that.
Yeah, a little bit of love. Little bit of love. Little bit of love. Right, let's get it gone. Yep, that's my air fryer done.
And you got phyllo pastry, haven't you?
Phyllo?
Is it phyllo?
No, it's not phyllo, love.
Puff.
Puff pastry. Bought it from the shop. I've not made it. I ain't got time, it's Christmas. We'll have to have a go at making some at some point.
We will.
And show people how Fat Man does it. Oh, get this. Oh, I tell you. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Yes. We're on. Like Donkey Kong. So I've got pizza oven as well outside. So I could make pizzas as well. Couldn't we?
Do Christmas pizzas.
Oh, not with this. This is pastry. I'm not about just doing pizzas. But yeah, your Christmas toppings, you could do festive pizzas, couldn't you, as well, if you wanted.
Roast dinner on a pizza.
Oh, I've had it, you know.
I bet you have, love. You've had a lot.
What's that mean? Do you say I'm fat like? I'm a job, love. You've had a lot.
No, I actually eat more than you.
You what?
I actually eat
You
more
do?
than you. A lot more.
You do, and that's what's in there for you now. What's just gone ding. I've just done you a little bit of veg. And hold and roll. I'm gonna write this up for love.
Alright.
Looks
I
like
gave it down here yet.
looks like snowman's been. Right, so what I'm gonna do, it's nice and thin, nice and flat now like that. Up out. See, look. So it's just gonna have an edge, look. Like snowing. Right.
Snow is falling.
So I reckon that I'm gonna cover my big pie. Oh yes, baby. Look at this. Oh. 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 Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
You're so much more precise than me.
Well, all I'm doing is just run it knife. Just run it around the edge. And that gives you your nice pie top. A bit of egg wash on there. Seal it in. Job done.
Are you a bubble squeak man as well?
Bubble squeak.
Bubble and squeak.
I would rather have a pie, if I'm honest with you. When I'm doing leftovers, put a little bit of X marks the spot, a little bit of love. So bang that there. That's ready to be egg washed in a bit. We'll just put that there for a minute. Right. Let's see. Get that out there. In a jiff. What's a jiff? You know what a jiff is?
Jiffy bag.
Jiffy bag. I don't want to put them in a Jiffy bag.
They look like a new sous vide thing.
Look at that.
Sous
Professional me, you know. I ain't no professional cook. Oh, yes, mate. Bang. Nice bit of pie there, look.
Oh.
A nice bit of pie there, look. So what do?
Cut round the edges.
Just edge of the bowl.
And you were going to make me a vegan one, but I've eaten all my
Yeah. Plus you can't have the pastry neither, can you?
No. So we would have to make that pastry from scratch.
Yeah. I've seen you make pastry. Oh, I did.
It's chunky, it's nice and solid.
It's like
short crust on bottom and puff on top.
It's like your Yorkshire puddings.
Don't you get started.
Let's not go there.
Hey, look, the dogs are getting excited. Right, we'll be back soon.
See you in a bit, guys. But egg wash these, get them in toad oven. So once they're cooked, we'll see how they turn out. I'll tell you something, most likely with mine. There's people now shouting, Dan, you need to egg wash that now, get that sorted out. It's all going to come out at sides. You know what? That's what I want. I like it coming out the sides.
Bit of oozing.
Yeah.
You might have to shout a pie shop in Wakefield.
Better than pie shop are revealed. Right, so I'll be back with you in a minute, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. Because, like this, no waste. So we're going to do no waste with pastry as well. See you in a bit, guys.
Washing's on, love. What you doing now?
So this is, I've done one. This is to show you how to use the rest of your pastry. So we've got cheese from cheese board on Christmas. Now, George, he absolutely loves hot dogs. If it hasn't got an hot dog, right, he's not bothered. So, we have this and it's called hot dog Wellington. So I've done one there, but it's simple, bit of cheese, 4 hot dogs, straight in like this. Then you just roll that bit over, like a nice little blanket. Pat it all in there. Right, oh, sorry, grab my knife. Thought I needed my knife again. Right, there you go. Wash, like this. Nice and tight. So basically, it looks a bit like a sausage roll, but George calls it, hold that under, his hot dog Wellington. Again, a couple of little pricks. Hey! In there. We'll glaze that with egg and away we go. If you want, you've got a little bit left, you can even make another Wellington, or you can decorate the top of your pies. Well, let's go. Pie time! So we're just mixing up for a little bit of egg wash there. Yeah, there. Get a little brush. Get a bit of this on here, looks there. Oh, it's a sloppy one. There's a leggy. Oh well, it's a snotty one as you call it. Might have put a bit too much on there, but we'll get it whacked round, look. Oh, that's it.
That's a clever one. I've only ever used brushes, but then I guess the air gets stuck on pie.
What do you mean?
It's a rubber brush.
It is. It's for doing exactly this. For sealing it all in.
Pie rubbing.
Pie rubbing. Pie rubbing. I might need to mix it up a little bit more, to be honest, but we'll get there. Hopefully it'll do the job that we wanted it to do.
How long are you putting it in for?
So I reckon these are going to be about 20 minutes, between 20 and 30 minutes. But obviously everything's already cooked inside, so it's just
because it's puffing it.
Yeah, it's just a pastry. So we'll keep an eyeball on it, and then I shall get them out. Right, last but not least, George's little hot dog Wellingtons. Give them a little bit of a pasty brush. See, cooking with me, cooking with Fat Dan. That's what we're going to call this new show, Cooking with Fat Dan. And we'll see how we get on. Right guys, back with you very shortly. 25 minutes in the oven. Perfection of a Christmas pie. Now, just wait until the rest are done and then bit of mash, bit of gravy, or my tea, beautiful.